Bassinet designed to fold with your playard for easy setup and take down. Features folding feet and wheels for 20% more compact fold than other Graco Playards. Full-size infant bassinet provides an easy-to-reach and easy-to-view spot for your baby to sleep. Removable, full-size bassinet provides the perfect spot for baby to catch a nap, at home and away. Toy bar features soft toys to entertain your baby. Keep your little one happy and comfortable no matter where you go with the Graco Pack and On the Go Playard. A removable full-size bassinet folds with the playard for a quick setup and fewer parts to carry. Folding feet and wheels allow for a compact fold, while the durable frame makes it perfectly suited for travel. The signature Graco push-button fold allows you to break it down quickly and hassle-free. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for being able to pull out quickly and easy putting away. Love this pack and play. I have used Graco products since I had my first child 21 years ago. I bought this for when I babysit my niece. It's easy to pop open and fold back up when she's not here. Love the bassinet setting since she's only 2 months old. Also, I love being able to store her blankets and extra diapers underneath the mat. She loves the little stars and flower that hangs up. She talks to them and tries to reach up to grab them. Very easy to fold down and store in the closet too. All around a must-have for anyone with a baby. Or anyone who has a baby that visits. Very sturdy too. It holds steady even when my 3-year-old leans in to see the baby.